I am back to my computer screen. This is called the topical map. Actually, the topical map is a map which consists of topics and subtopics of your website should have. Google is prioritizing topical authority to rank. Sorry, my desktop screen has been turned off. Okay, the topical maps look like this. It is huge, means here these are the subtopics, right? This is a topical map for multi-purpose digital solution agency. They provide digital marketing, SEO, pay-per-click, social media, email marketing, and everything else like a company. Right here, there is the subsections of digital marketing, content marketing. Then you will see here search engine optimization, and like this you can see every sort of uh, subtopics of content market digital marketing, and like this everything is being organized, like the article titles, what the titles digital market would include, content marketing, description, article description, strategic keywords, and search intents. So this map will help you to rank out.